Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing my left hand. I've not done my nails for ages. I've been wearing press-ons because they were damaged and needed a break. So I've got two brand new builder in a bottles from Madam Glam. These have been kindly sent to me by Madam Glam. So this is the white, and it is a pure white, like really opaque bright white. And this one, Builder Tan, this is a sheer colour. Yeah, it's more of a sheer kind of colour. I wanted to originally do a kind of fade baby boomer, but that tan was just too sheer. So I'm going to start by buffing off the shiny surface to my nails. I've already pushed my cuticles back and prepped my nails, got rid of all the dead skin. So yeah, once you've buffed that shiny surface off, make sure you give your nails a good clean, get rid of all the dust. So this is the tips I'm using, my favourite tips at the moment. They're like coffin, they're quite rounded on the tips, but I always file the tip off. So I'm just going to get these glued onto my nails. I just use regular nail glue. Hold it on for a few seconds and then I'll nip it in at the sides just to make sure them wings are not sticking out too much. So yeah, I'm using Builder in a bottle. I've only ever used Builder in a bottle, I think twice, and that was on my practice hand. I've never used it on my own nails, so this is a first for me. But I don't think I did too bad, I really don't. So they are way too long, so I'm going to snip them down. Still a little bit long, but it just leaves a bit of room for filing at the end. So what I do now is I go down the sides just to make sure there's none hanging over the edge. And where they've been glued on, I'm just going to blend that in with my natural nail. And what I do at this point as well is file off all the shiny surface to that nail tip, because gel does not like sticking to a shiny surface. So now I'm going in with dehydrator. I'm going to give my nails a good coating of dehydrator. I'm using Venalisa dehydrator and primer at the minute. I've been using them for ages. And now I'm going to go in and give them just a tiny bit of primer. You don't need to douse your nails in primer, just a tiny little bit. Right, now that's done, I'm going to go in with my base coat. I'm using Madam Glam base coat. And I'm just going to base coat my natural nail. Sometimes I go over the whole tip, sometimes I don't. It depends what mood I'm in. So I'm just giving my natural nail just a thin, even layer of base coat. And Madam Glam base coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to start with the white. I'm going to start on my pinky. I want this pinky to just be a full white nail. So I always start when I'm using builder gel or a hard gel with a slip layer, a really thin layer, and that just helps the second layer just glide easier. It helps it glide and move over the nail better. So now I'll go in with a thicker layer, and I kind of keep my brush attached to I try not to take my brush off that bead, and I just swipe it side to side, kind of pulling it down the nail at the same time. Then what I'll do is I'll check the sides just to make sure I've got it all down the sides. And then that's going to get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with a second layer and just do exactly the same. When I hold it upside down there, it just helps bring the gel back into the middle so it doesn't end up bulky at the sides. Right, so that's that white nail cured now. I was really happy with that pinky. I think the pinky was the one I was the most happiest with. I barely had to touch that at the end with the file. Right, so same again on the ring finger, same as I did with the pinky, except I'm using the tan. I was going to do a baby boomer, but you'll see that this tan, it's a sheer colour. So it wouldn't have I wouldn't have been able to blend it with the white, I don't think. So I'll let you watch this and I'll be back in a sec. Right, so that's my ring finger done as well. Now on this middle finger, I'm going to do a French tip. I'm going to do like a bit of an extended nail bed using this tan. So again, I'm going in with a slip layer and I'm just mapping out with this thin layer where I want my nail bed to be. And again, that will just help control this next bead. It kind of doesn't slip, it doesn't go past this slip layer that you've done. It just helps keep it in that area. So I'm going to go in with a thicker bead. Not too thick because I've never done a nail bed like this on my own nails. So I just stuck to thin layers with this. And I'm just swiping it again side to side, side to side. And it kind of just sticks to that slip layer that you've done underneath. Yeah, so I'm going to get this the best shape that I can. We can go in and file it afterwards. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I think I did maybe 2 more layers because I wanted to build that nail bed up a bit high-ish. I really struggle to explain what I'm doing, especially when it's something I've never done before. So yeah, I'm just going in with another bead. I'm just doing exactly the same as what I did with that first one. And that'll get cured for 60 seconds as well. Right, so I'm just wiping the tacky layer off all of these. I've done my thumb off camera because it's just same as the ring finger, just a full nail using the tan. I've left my pointer finger clear because I wasn't sure what I was doing with that at this point. Right, anyway, so that's them all filed and all buffed. What I end up doing with the pointer finger, I end up giving that a full cover of the white because I'm going to put glitter on that later. So I'm going to get this middle finger finished now. I'm just going in with the white. I didn't need to be too careful with this because I'm just filling in the end of that nail with the white. What I do as well, I get a little detailer brush just to help me get that white right up into the corners of that nail bed, and that gets cured for 60 seconds. And I'll go in with a second layer as well, just to fill it a bit higher. It needed another layer.
Still make mistakes, it isn't perfection, what is it we chase?
Right guys, that's them all filed and all buffed, ready to decorate. So I'm just going to use this little pot of hollow glitter. It's just tiny hexes and fine glitter. So I'm just putting some base coat on my palette, and I'm just going to mix the glitter into that base coat. This glitter is so sparkly. Little cheap glitter I got off Amazon, this is. It's so sparkly. So I'm just using that mixture, and on the pinky I'm going to do a glitter fade coming up from the tip. So quite thick and packed at the tip, and then I'm just going to fade it off up the nail. And what I'm going to do on the pointer finger that is just plain white, I'm going to completely cover that with this glitter mix, and they'll get cured for 30 seconds, and then we can get this set finished. I can't explain what I'm doing, I'm so sorry.
You slipping, never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through.
Right guys, so we're going to get these finished and top coated now. So I'm using Madam Glam top coat, get all these top coated, and I'm going to put just a few little gems on the ring finger. I'm just going to put the gems into the top coat, and that'll be this set finished. This top coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right guys, that's them finished. I think I did an alright job. First time I've ever used builder gel on my own nails. I don't think I did too bad. I love that glitter, it's so sparkly, it really is. I like them, I do, I like them. Let me know what you think guys, should I do it again? I did cut myself with the file, I'm murder for it, I really am. But yeah, I'm happy with them. I am. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'm so sorry I'm rubbish at explaining things. I'll get better. But yeah, that's it guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, why? I don't get it. Can I just say, over 60% of you guys that keep coming back time after time and watching my videos are not subscribed. I don't get it. I would love for you to subscribe. Anyway, hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.